Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and we have got something fun for y'all today. Bighorn Outdoors has collaborated with us and sent us their pellet pizza oven. And we are going to check it out, and we're going to be making us a little pizza and telling y'all all about it. So let's get into this pizza oven.
Alright y'all, this thing came pretty much already assembled. The legs fold out. You could take this thing anywhere. You could take it camping. You could take it to the beach. It's very light. I can't wait because we'll probably take it with us on vacation because our grandbabies, they love pizza, and this thing, it folds down. It would be easy to store. Anyway, the only assembly was these two screws. This chimney, the screws came out, and you put the chimney in and you put the two screws in. The pipe, it slides down and turns the lock. It's got a little cap here, and then you got like a little shovel for when you're not using it, which is cool. Make sure nothing gets in the top of it. The handle of the door was not on. You just had to screw it in, and it came with your hopper basket, and it came with an ashtray in the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Aside from the stone inside, and you can see the stone is ceramic. I guess that's ceramic. But
easy peasy.
Yeah, it's already pretty much assembled, and you got a couple of poker sticks if you need to stir your pellets. And I'm gonna get these pellets in the tray and get it burned off. And if there's anything inside, we'll get it burned off and ready to cook. And I'm gonna turn it back over to the pizza maker here, and she's gonna get that dough rolled out for y'all, and we'll see what she can do with it. I'm excited to try this thing out.
Me too. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna be whipping up a little pizza to go in that pizza oven. I'm gonna start with some semolina flour. We don't want it to stick whenever we are putting that pizza in the oven there. So
want it to slide right in.
We want to slide right in, honey, and get happy. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and say I did not make this dough. Publix made this dough. And it comes in a 1 pound pouch for the dough. And I split it in half. And because we only need 12-inch pizza. So that's what we're going for. And so I split it in half and had it sitting with just a little olive oil on it. So let's see what we can do with this thing. Now we're gonna try to stretch it out.
Mamma mia!
Yes, Mamma mia, for real. I do not work with a lot of pizza dough. My extent of pizza dough is making little homemade pizzas for my little babies when they were little.
Some Chef Boyardee, y'all.
Yeah, well, no.
Kits.
Actually, it was the Pillsbury dough that you just rolled out.
Oh, yeah, I remember Pillsbury dough.
Those were the best.
Yeah.
So, we're just going to try to stretch this out as best we can. All right, y'all. Bless it, Lord, all I can say. I'm going to have to get better with this dough. But I'm going to have plenty of time to do it. Now, I am going to spray this with some olive oil. Yummy, yummy. And start with a little pesto. Oh, now this is just store-bought pesto. I didn't make it homemade either. But we're going to just give this a little swirl here. And you use however much you want to use, honey. That's completely up to you. Your kitchen, your rules, honey. All right, and I'm just going to leave a little bit of an edge on the outside of that. Put this in there. You don't want to dip. All right, now we're going to go in with some good old mozzarella. We're just going to do it just like so. Now, I've got some basil here, but now we're not going to put the basil on until after it cooks up a little bit, after it comes out, because we don't want that basil to get dark. So, get us some good old goodies on here. All All right. Let's see. Trying to fit them in there like so. Let's put him in the middle and do like this. Got some good old tomatoes out the garden, y'all. Up, a little piece of basil trying to sneak into the party. There we go. It's looking good. Now, I'm even going to sprinkle a little bit of dry basil leaves on here. Just some dried spices. You can do oregano, whatever you want to do. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder on here. And I've got just a shaved blend with Parmesan, Asiago, all the good.
Yeah, the good.
And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. You can't have too much cheese, can you?
No, you cannot.
Ooh, Lord, look at there.
Man, what?
All right. Yummy, yummy. Now, the moment of truth, because we're going to try to slide this pizza on without it sticking. All right, now I'm going to just sprinkle just a little bit more of that semolina flour there because we want it to slide off good. The moment of truth. Come on. It's a little heavy. We're getting it. We're easing her on there. Woo-hoo. There we go. All right. I'm just going to pull this out just a little bit more. All right, she's ready to go. Look at there, y'all. I think it's going to be good. We're just going to scoot everything back in there.
Neaten it up.
Neaten it up, that's right. All right. She's ready for the fire.
Yeah, I'm ready to see what happens.
Y'all, we're gonna give it a try. See what we're working with here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there she goes.
And the oven has been running about 18 to 20 minutes, y'all, to get that stone good and hot.
All right, we're gonna lug her up here. Give it just a few minutes. You're supposed to rotate it about, what, every 30 seconds is what it says?
Every 15 seconds.
Okay, all right. We're just going to look and see where we're at. If it starts to get too dark, I'll give it a little turn.
There you go.
All right, that's one turn. Whoop, that's backwards. I literally gave that, y'all, about 15 seconds.
That's right.
Oh,
look at that. Oh, my goodness, how fast.
Woo, Lord, look, y'all. And I'm just going to touch it with my hands.
Yeah, you probably need a fork.
Oh, that looks good. I think, oh, listen to that crust.
Ooh, wait.
I think that's good enough.
One
Turn it one more time.
One more time.
All right. I don't want to burn my pizza up now. She's pretty.
You're going to burn her pretty pizza, y'all.
No.
One more time.
I worked really hard on that dough.
She did.
Even though Publix did it, I worked really hard.
She did work hard on getting it worked in, y'all.
I did. All right. Should we go in?
Let's count it down, y'all.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's see what she looks like.
Oh, you can let me burn it. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Woo, Lord, y'all. Now that's pizza in just
I'm going to say a minute at the most.
Yes. Oh, my gosh.
Look how crusty.
Nice
man,
and
look at that
crusty.
crust.
All right,
oh, Lord.
Plug this back up.
Yeah, we got more to make, y'all.
We got more to make. We got
babies coming.
So I'm going to go sprinkle my basil on here. And
we're going to finish this video, but I'm going to load that hopper bag up before we finish this video.
All right, let's get it.
Yeah, we got to try that. The taste tester's ready.
All right, I'm just going to put a few pieces of basil on here, y'all.
Man, I cannot tell y'all how good that looks. Oh my goodness.
And it's so crunchy. So crunchy already.
I cannot wait to try this. I
love basil.
Man, I am excited.
I do love me some basil. All right, we'll put little pieces here, there, and everywhere. And listen, we're gonna top it off, James Russell, with little balsamic,
yum, yum.
little balsamic glaze. Favorite time, and that's tasting time. We're gonna see what kind of goodness we did here. So we gonna both taste it. Get you one.
I'm ready.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Got my napkin. That is good.
Man.
Here are we going in for another bite. Y'all, this tastes like we didn't order something fancy. This is good. The bottom's crispy.
Listen.
We done got us some.
We done.
This will get us in trouble, y'all.
We done found something.
We found something, yes.
Bighorn Outdoors.
Y'all outdid yourself.
Thank you very much
You
for that.
outdid yourself.
Y'all, let me just say. Yeah. That's what's up right there. I can't believe how fast it cooked this pizza and at what heat it cooked it at. And it's got a wood-fired taste, just like you went to a wood-fired, artisan pizza restaurant.
A lot cheaper.
I'm telling you, we go out to eat every time we go on to Pigeon Forge to the mountains. Daniel has found this restaurant, and we go eat there all the time. And this crust is, almost identical.
I think they're getting their crust from Publix.
They may be getting their crust from Publix, but I'll just say the texture and how it's crispy like that. Hard to believe. It's just amazing.
Is. Thank you. Thank you so much to Bighorn Outdoors.
Man, y'all.
Y'all go check them out.
Yeah, and I think they're running a sale right now on Amazon. If I'm not mistaken. I think they're having a sale on their ovens right now on Amazon. And I'm going to put a link in the description. Y'all, I'm telling you.
Check it out.
It's very reasonable. And this thing here is fantastic. If you're an outdoor person, like to grill and like stuff like that, you can't beat this thing.
All kinds of stuff's running through our mind. We're going to take it to the beach on our beach trip.
Going to the lake. I'm telling you. Our babies love pizza. Yes. They would eat pizza every single day. 24/7, breakfast, lunch, dinner, they would eat pizza. Yep. This is
you can do all kinds.
Oh man.
Breakfast pizzas.
Yeah. I'm thinking about steaks already. I'm thinking steaks. The sear you can get on a steak. You talk about heat, that thing is hot, hot, hot.
Yes.
I will say, be very careful. Very, very careful. If you do get it, when you're lifting that lid to put pellets in and stuff, recommend the gloves. Anything you touch, I would recommend having some heat-resistant gloves. Very hot. Very, very hot.
Don't send your hair off.
Yeah, it got my hairs. It got my hairs. Yeah, it got my hairs. But yeah, it is fantastic, y'all. I'm going to tell you, that is one fantastic outdoor grill. And y'all know I love the pellet stuff anyway, and I'm telling you, man, I can't wait to make some more.
Yes, and I'll tell you, by the time you buy this pizza, over and over, you can purchase the grill.
Yeah, and do it yourself. And that, that didn't take no time, y'all. Yeah. It took less than a minute to make that thing. And once you get that oven, you can feed your whole family in less than 10 minutes, easily. You have your pizzas ready to go and have them ready to go one after the other, and you're done. I'm telling you, you can't beat that.
We're about to go make a whole lot more.
Yeah, we got babies coming.
Yep. So thank you so much to Bighorn Outdoors.
Yes.
And y'all go check them out. And until next time,